Regexomon GO. So if you ever played Pokemon Go, this is an awesome spin that can help you learn regular expressions in JavaScript. Let's see how they did it.
Hello, I'm Danielle, along with Ima, Bethany, and Alicia, and we're the team behind Regexomon GO. Regexomon GO is an augmented reality mobile gaming application that allows users to learn regular expressions through a series of questions and battle scenes. Our decision to use augmented reality in our application was inspired by the popular game Pokemon Go. With the intention of creating a desirable learning experience, our game aims to introduce regular expressions in a fun and engaging way. Regular expression, also called regex, is a way to work with strings through pattern matching in a very performant way. Regular expressions can look like absolute nonsense to a complete beginner. They're often difficult to understand and teach. Our app aims to allow users to break away from the scene and learn in an interactive environment. And I'll now let you pass this to Ima to walk you through the app.
Thanks, Danielle. Once a user logs into the game, they're directed to a location-based map, which uses the player's mobile GPS to create an interactive setting where the player can play around in real-time surroundings and find spawn Regexomon in the area. When a player is a half foot away from a Regexomon, a battle scene will immediately initiate in augmented reality. If the chilly season has got them bundled up inside, we've also allowed functionality for the player to brute force an indoor battle scene. In order to defeat a Regexomon, the player must answer a series of multiple choice questions that test their knowledge of JavaScript regex. For every correct answer, the enemy Regexomon's health goes down, and the player is eventually able to throw a Regexaball and capture it. For every wrong answer, the player's Regexomon, its health diminishes, and the player then loses its ability to capture the enemy Regexomon and is returned to the map to find new Regexomon to battle and capture. Now to delve deeper into our core technology, here's Bethany.
Thanks, Ima. Unity was our first chosen technology because it allowed us to create complex augmented reality scenes and attach scripts that provided the functionality that our game needed. We also chose to write our code in C# because it worked best with Unity. To implement a location-based map scene, we use Mapbox Unity SDK. With Mapbox, we utilize the location provider game object to determine a player's location in the real world with their mobile's GPS. This allows the map scene to render and the player's game object to follow the player's position and rotation. Mapbox also allowed us to anchor augmented reality experiences to real-world coordinates. Firebase keeps track of our user data and holds our regex questions. We also took advantage of its user authentication abilities. We used the Firebase SDK to set up our API in order to create a connection between our database and our Unity game. Methods provided by Firebase allowed us to get and set data through that connection. For example, a player's Regexomon are stored in the database, and that is then used to populate the Regex, a list of all the Regexomon a player has caught. Now here's Alicia with our group takeaways.
Thank you, Bethany. The technologies that we chose best suited our architectural needs. However, there was a huge learning curve in setting up and implementing all new technologies. Although challenging at times, we're thankful for the insight it gave us into class-based and statically typed language that is C#. For this project, we each chose a technology to delve into and then came together at the end of the research phase of our capstone in order to educate each other on what we have learned. This allowed us to share the knowledge that we gained in an efficient and successful manner. So now I encourage you to go out there, capture Regexmon, and have fun learning JavaScript regular expressions. Thank you.
Well done, Grace Topper. You have one last chance to like and vote for your favorite teams before we announce the winner.
When I heard Regexomon, I had no idea what to expect. I don't know if it was that. It was awesome, though. It was like augmented reality, it's crazy.
I remember teaching here during the summer of Pokemon Go 2016, whenever it came out. And it's amazing how in 18 months, students are able to clone that app in 3 weeks with JavaScript.
Yeah.
Well, C# in this case, actually. So still 3 weeks though.
Yeah, and it's amazing, like just how fast it was put together with technologies that completely were unfamiliar to them whatsoever. So really amazing work. I'm ready to catch some Regexomon myself. So